Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make printable wall art to sell on Etsy. The first thing you need to do is go onto Canva, as this is the website that we'll be using to create our wall art. The beauty about Canva is you can get started for completely free, and also with their templates and tools they make it easy to create beautiful wall art as a complete beginner or even as an intermediate or experienced individual. Once on Canva, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner and select Create a Design. After selecting Create a Design, you are going to tap on Custom Size. Then from here you can enter the size that you want. For this one, we will simply switch it to inches. Then will be 16 by 20. Then you'll tap on Create New Design. After you have selected Create New Design, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here we can start creating our wall art. You can see here we have a blank Canva, and you can go over to the left hand menu option right where you see design and you see search templates, so you can search for whatever you would like to add. So let's say for example you want to add something, you could simply tap on elements right here. After selecting elements, for example, let's say I want to add a football, I could simply type in football, then tap on enter. Then you can see numerous options right here. So let's say for example I want to add this football right here. I could do that. You could simply tap and drag it. Then you can also change the background color by simply tapping on the background. Then you'll see background color. You could tap on the color right here, the color box, and you could add a background color. As you can see right there, you can also add text by tapping on T in the left hand corner. Then you can tap on the type of text that you would like to use. Then let me write in a quick text. And you can change the font style also. All you have to do is simply highlight the text box. Then you'll tap right where you see Canva Sans on my page. And also you can upload a font if you have a font that you would like to upload. And you can choose the font style that you like to use. Let me find one. This is a nice one right here. You can change the size of the font. As you can see there. And also you can add other elements by simply tapping on elements. So you could search for other things to add right there. And you can also change the color as I said earlier. Once you're finished customizing your wall art, all you have to do now is simply go over to share in the top right hand corner. After selecting share, what I want you to do is tap right where you see download. Then you are going to tap right where you see PNG, and you are going to select PDF print. As remember, it is going to be a printable wall art, and PDF print is best for printing, as you can see right here. So you are going to tap on that. Then from here you would select download. After you have created your wall art, the next step would be to create a mock-up. And to create a mock-up, you can do that also on Canva. All you have to do is go back to Canva. Then from here, you'll select wall art and you'll type in wall art mockup in the search bar. After you have typed in wall art mockup, you will be led to this page. And from here, you can select any one of these mockups. And by the way, anyone that you see with the Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use it. And with Etsy, you also have the option to upload videos, a video mockup. So you could select something like this if you had the paid plan, or you can select any one of these. So for this example, I'll simply tap on this template right here. Then you'll tap on customize this template. And by the way, I want you to go back into your first design and you're going to go over to share again. Then you're going to tap on download just like you did earlier. But instead of downloading it in PNG, I want you to select JPG better yet. And you're going to tap on download. After you have downloaded this, what I want you to do on the mockup that you're going to create, you're going to simply tap on upload. And you're going to upload the JPG. Once you have uploaded the JPG, you can see the mockup right here. All you have to do is simply tap on the current wall art that is there. Then you'll simply tap on your one and you'll simply drag it and place it. You'll simply place your wall art right there, as you can see. And you can do this by simply tapping on the wall art, as I said. Then you'll simply tap on your wall art and drag and place it right there. Then you can do that again. Tap on it and you can simply drag it, and this will give the customer on Etsy a different option to see how your wall art will look in different places. Now after you have created the mockups, what I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner and select share. After selecting share, you are going to scroll down and you are going to select download. And you are going to download each page. So you are going to simply select one. So you are going to download each page individually. So you download page 1. Then you'll tap on share again. And you're going to select download and you would download page 2. So let me tap on share again. And from here you'll simply tap on download. And you will download page 2. So you want to download each page to add to your listing on Etsy. After you have downloaded each page, for this example, I'll simply download 2 pages. After you have downloaded each page, you are going to tap on create listing. And once on Etsy, all you have to do now is tap on add photo, add a photo. And you're going to go into downloads as you want to add your mockups. So you'll see your mockups right here. So you can simply tap on the mockups that you would like to add. Then tap on open. You can see it right there. And you can add the other photo. So you can add the photos one at a time. You can see it right there. That's how it will look. And you can continue adding photos. After you're finished, you'll simply scroll down. And here, as I said, you will be able to add a video. Then you'll scroll down. And by the way, they are saying that the listings look best with photos at 2000 pixels. So we could change that by simply going back into Canva. Then tap on share in the top right hand corner again. And here we are going to change the size. So once we tap on download, we are going to see the pixels right here. So we'll simply increase the pixels to 2000. So carry to 2000. Then you will tap on download. So let me download page 1. And go back into our listing after it is downloaded. And then I'll add this photo. So let me remove the current photo. And I'll tap on add photo again. And I'll add our new download. You can see it right there. Once I add the new download, you don't see the warning sign anymore because that new download is 2000 by 2000 pixel. So you can see right there. So now, from now on, you want to ensure that all of your photos, you simply adjust the size in Canva to 2000 pixel, the mockup. After you have done that, you're going to simply scroll down. And from here, you could add the video, as I was saying earlier. And then you'll see listing details, and you want to ensure that you use a creative but at the same time a title that also has in numerous keywords that will help to improve your ranking and also make your wall art more searchable and easier to find. And about this listing, you can simply tap on who made it, and you can select I did and what is it, and from here you can simply tap on a finished product. Then you will see when did you make it, and you can add the date that you have made it. So let's say, for example, you made it 2020 to 2023, obviously. Then you can add more right here, and be sure to tap on digital right here as we are uploading a digital file. Then you'll simply scroll down and you'll add your descriptions. And you can scroll down and you can fill out the rest of details. You'll be able to add tags and all these stuff. You can add up to 13 tags. Then from here, you'll simply add your price, and you can also add the quantity, how much you have. Then you'll scroll down, and if you're offering personalization, you could toggle this on, but if you are not, you'll leave it right there. And then right where you see digital files, this is where you're going to upload your digital file. So you could simply tap right here and upload the file. Also, if you have a zip file, you can upload the zip file also. As you can see, add up to 5 more files. And once you have uploaded the files, all you have to do now is simply tap on save and continue. And that's it. Your listing will now be available on Etsy, and you'll now be able to make money. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.